How to change date and time settings on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the date and time settings on your Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply scroll down to the additional settings, and here once you've found that option, you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, then there you'll see the option labeled as date and time. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, to set the date and time manually, what you can do is you can just turn off set time automatically option. And now here with that, you can just tap on date, and after that you can just choose a new date, and with that you can just select time as well to set the current time. And here if you want your phone to update the date time automatically, then you can simply turn the set time automatically option back on. And that's it. That's how you can change date and time settings on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.